Let's take a look at those. Auburn, Alabama, just south of 5 inches of rain coming down over the last 24 hours. Much of that coming down in about a 6-hour time period this morning. So it's easy to see why we're getting flash flood warnings and why flooding is occurring in some parts of central and eastern Alabama to start the day. Montgomery picking up just under 3 inches of rain in the last 24 hours. You can see a lot of the heavy rain from this morning there right along I-85 from Montgomery out to the east towards the Auburn area and along the Gulf Coast as well. These pockets of yellow and red where we've seen upwards of 2 to 5 inches of rain, and we have more of that potentially on the way thanks in part to that area of low pressure that was in the Gulf. No longer in the Gulf, is stalled out here across the south central region, and it's going to continue to bring us the chance for some very heavy rainfall rates. Rainfall rates are important because it shows you how much or tells you how much rain is coming down in a short amount of time. And when you have a lot of rain coming down in a short amount of time, that's a better chance for flash flooding as opposed to an extended lengthy rainfall where you're getting light rain over a 12-hour period. These areas have the potential for heavy rain in a couple of hours. So New Orleans, Mobile, Charleston, Wilmington, a level 2 risk for flash flooding today. That means a couple of instances of flash flooding are expected by the Weather Prediction Center. Getting into the afternoon, numerous pockets of strong and severe storms possible along with the heavy downpours that come in. A stretch from the Gulf Coast up through the Carolinas. More heavy rain coming down this evening across Georgia, New Orleans, Mobile, and then out through portions of the eastern Carolinas. And then finally, as we get into the Friday time frame, we get more strong storms to develop around that area of low pressure, and the trough just kind of sits here for another day or two, sending more heavy rain to parts of the central Gulf, areas that are already saturated with a lot of heavy rainfall. So when all is said and done, we're looking at another 5, 6, even 7 inches of rain on top of those saturated soils. New Orleans over to Tallahassee in the level 2 risk for flash flooding tomorrow.